One of the biggest advantages you can give yourself when you're designing a new development is a flexible program. A program is really a fancy term for a list of all of the rooms, and maybe even more specifically, the requirements of all of these rooms in your development. It's really a good starting point for any project. I try to design so that the program is flexible. A great example of this would be on a 4-bedroom home, having that 4th bedroom operate like an independent studio unit. I really like the idea of a flexible program because that 4th bedroom could be used by a child who is staying at home but going to college. It could be used by an in-law who is a live-in nanny, and if regulations allowed, it could even be used as an Airbnb suite to generate more rental income for the property. A really common example of flexible programming would be a bedroom being used as a home office. Some of my favorite flexible programming would be moving the dining room to the exterior of the home, which is really successful in San Diego and allows you to build smaller homes or homes with lesser square footage. And then finally, using some of that required exterior square footage that they require us to use for parking as exterior living room space. That's another great trick out here in San Diego.